Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to find your crypto.com account. To begin, ensure you have the official crypto.com app installed on your mobile device. This is the primary and only way to access your funds and manage your cryptocurrency portfolio. You'll need your registered email address and the password you created during sign-up. If you're unsure, don't worry, we'll cover password recovery in a moment. Once the app is open, you'll see the login screen. Carefully enter the email address associated with your account and your password. It's crucial to double-check these details to avoid unnecessary lockouts. For enhanced security, you might be prompted to complete two-factor authentication, which could involve a code from an authenticator app or a text message. This extra step keeps your account safe. If you've forgotten your password, don't panic. On the login screen, simply tap the Forgot Password link. Crypto.com will then send an email to your registered address with instructions on how to reset it. Follow these steps carefully to regain access. If you encounter any persistent issues or suspect unauthorized activity, it's best to contact Crypto.com's customer support directly for assistance. To keep your Crypto.com account secure, always use a strong, unique password that combines letters, numbers, and symbols. Enabling two-factor authentication is also highly recommended, as it adds an extra layer of protection against unauthorized access. Regularly review your account activity for anything unusual. And speaking of making things easier, check out the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers for meal prep, along with other great deals we've found for you. It's a simple way to streamline your daily routine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.